Suppose you deploy a website. Your server lives in one location, let's say in India. A user in US opens your site. That request has to travel across continents through multiple networks before it ever reaches your server. Distance adds latency. Latency adds delay. Pages feel slow, even when your server is perfectly healthy. This is not a scaling problem, right? This is a geography problem. And the way systems solve geography is with CDNs. A content delivery network is a network of servers spread across different geographic locations. These servers are called edge servers. They sit closer to users, closer to where requests originate. Instead of every request going to your main server, many requests are served from the nearest edge. This reduces the distance and thus the latency. Here is what happens when a user opens a website that uses a CDN. A user requests a page. The request goes to the nearest CDN edge server. The edge checks if it already has the content cached. If the content is present, it is called a cache hit, and the content is served immediately. If the content is not present, it's called a cache miss. Then the edge fetches it from the origin server, stores a copy, serves the response to the user. Then, when the next user in that region tries to access this data, they get it instantly. To this user, the site feels fast. To the origin server, load is reduced. CDNs work best with static content like images, videos, CSS, JavaScript, and static HTML. This content changes infrequently and is the same for many users, and that makes it perfect for caching. CDNs usually don't cache dynamic content like API responses, personalized data, authentication requests. These often need to go back to the origin server. With the CDN in place, they just load faster worldwide. Origin servers see less traffic. Traffic spikes are absorbed at the edge. Attacks are mitigated before reaching your backend because all traffic flows through the CDN first. The CDN becomes a shield. It can block obvious attacks and drop bad requests before they ever touch your origin server. Load balancers solve scaling and CDNs solve geography.